Hey everyone, welcome back. Bruce with DIY Homestead Projects. Well, if you're like me, learning to weld or trying to weld, and you're tired of kneeling down on the ground, in the gravel, in the dirt, on the grass, you may be interested in this video. I purchased a Harbor Freight welding table, and what I really like about this table is that you can fold it up and sit it up against the wall or hang it up on the wall and get it out of your way when you're not using it. Not only for welding, but I plan on using it for other projects as well. So let's have a look at the box. So if you're not familiar, here's the box that it comes in, and it kind of gives you a depiction of the way the table tilts. It doesn't show it folded up on the box, but I've seen videos of where people can fold this thing up. I've actually used a coupon for this, and I think I paid $54 for it. Been doing modifications to my Harbor Freight flux core, converting it to DC, and I'm just about finished with that. I'm waiting on one more item to get it completed, and then those result videos will be coming out. But today I'm going to put this together as quickly as I can for you, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about how the assembly went. Was it straightforward? Did I have any problems with anything? Just talk about what I think about it. So you saw me open the box, and here's how mine came packaged. Got some strapping tape, straps holding everything together. Let me cut those off. There's not a lot of parts to this, but a couple of the swivel plates, a bag with all the bolts and a few other plastic parts, an instruction booklet. Who needs instructions, right? Some shrink wrap holding some of these parts together. This looks like one of the legs. Another one. Hopefully all the parts are here. I guess we'll soon find out. And then everything else is kind of strapped in there together. Now, let me cut these straps off. Looks like the framework, and then the top. Anything underneath this? Nope. Just the top. Oh, and the side plates are on the top as well. They're not bolted on, they're just sitting there. All right. Now each one of these requires a washer. So if you have extra washers, make sure that you've put That'll take 4 of them. You got this rail on this side of the table, and then a short rail for the short side of the table. And so that'll take 4 of those smaller washers. Make sure you save enough for that. But I did not have to drill anything to get any holes to line up. Everything lined up. Let me show you here. Let me show you on this, I guess. 61369 is the model number of my particular table. There's been several models and revisions and changes and so forth, but that's what I'm working with. 61369 on this table. Overall, the assembly was fairly good, I guess. It just doesn't tell you nylon lock nut or the standard nuts where they should go. I just decided to put my nylon nuts everywhere that there was a pivot. Of these 4 bolts right here, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. When you tighten those down, don't tighten them down gorilla tight, and you will have a folding table. So of course you have to undo these side tighteners that will adjust for tabletop adjustment. You could weld with it in 5 different positions, 45s either direction, almost 90. To fold it up, you just fold that, then the back leg and the front leg also fold. So you can make the table that wide. Hang it up on a wall, lean it up against the wall or something like that. I made them fairly stiff. I think they'll work in a little bit, but you just pull the legs out when you're setting it up, set the table, and tighten the clamps wherever you want it, if you want it level or if you want it angled. You should be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Hit the bell for notifications when I post new videos. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.